Alright guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can play Please Donate in 2023. So before we jump into the game we need to do something, so go to the main page of Roblox and click on Create. From here you wanna select Manage My Experiences. Then you will get your public experience right here. Simply hover over it and click on the three dots and then select Create Badge. So from this menu that just popped up on the side, we want to click on Associated Items, then go to Passes and click on Create a Pass. So basically here you have to upload an image, so I'm just going to use a random one, for example this one. You can name it and then you can write a description. Now this is the name that will pop up on your stand, so let's call it Please Donate with a smiley face, and then we're just gonna click on Create Pass. So after we have done this, we click on our newly created pass, and then from the side menu, after left clicking on it, we select Sales. So here we need to select Item for Sale, and here's where we put the price. So we will get 70% of what we put here. So I'm gonna do 15 Robux. So for every donation that we get, we will receive 11 Robux from it. And after you have done this, all we have to do is click on Save Changes. Now, if I go back to Roblox and I just load up Please Donate, we'll see if it worked or not. So open up your Please Donate game as per usual. Wait to load into a random server. Okay, and right here we just need to find an unclaimed stall. So just gonna go here, hold E, and as you can see, after we clicked apply, we see our newly created Game Pass with Goldie. So yeah, that is how you do it. You just needed to, if you don't even have to do apply, you can just refresh this, and that is how you get and play or Please Donate in 2023. Now you wait for donations. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.